Hello, and today we'll be playing Candy Crush. You will just be watching me pretty much. I'm like sort of in the middle of the game. You'll just get to see how crazy I am. Let's begin. I'm breaking the jelly. Crap. Breaking the jelly. I need more moves. No! I don't know how that works. Crap. Breaking the jelly. Oh, stop me breaking the jelly. Shut up, bird. No one asked you. You can't help me break the jelly. The jelly is too intense for you. You see my face, it would be a lot more funnier. I just need that green piece. Crap! Shut up, don't meow at me. Don't speak to me. No! I fail! Play on, girl. Cancel. Fine, I won't do any of that crap. Let's talk to Joshua. Hello? I've been just having way too much fun with these. Time to send them a cute one. Hold on. I like that one. Hello? Let's see if it responds. Let's go to my happy aquarium! I love it! Why did that pop up? Heck! Okay. Play. It's gonna just be. How'd you do that pony thing? Oh, he was at my old house. Hold on. Give me about 30 seconds to stream soccer. Okay, yes, I'll continue this later so I can talk to my friend. Okay, guys, bye, and have a nice day, bye.